In this video, we will install one of the most common modules used across almost every type of website, the blog module. Whether you are building a personal website, a content blog, or a business website, blogging plays an important role in content marketing, branding, and SEO. Through this example, you'll also learn what happens behind the scenes when a new module is installed on a Tumpixel website. As you already know, all modules owned by your account appear in the Modules section. Depending on the purpose of each website, you can enable or disable modules, so the system only displays the features that are actually needed. This keeps your website cleaner and easier to manage over time. In previous videos, we used the Storage module to upload images to the website. Since the Storage module is currently enabled, a Storage Management section is available under Management. From there, you can manage all images, documents, and files used by the website. Before enabling the blog module, let's quickly review the current page list so we can compare the website before and after installation. This is a great way to understand exactly what the system automatically creates when a new module is activated. Right now, our website contains 3 pages. The home page and 404 page were automatically created when the website was first generated. The new page was manually created in a previous tutorial. Now let's activate the blog module. While doing so, pay attention to both the Management section and the Pages list so you can clearly see the changes the system performs automatically. We select the blog module and click Save. Once the changes are saved, the module becomes active for this website. Immediately, a new section called Blog Management appears under Management. This is where you manage all blog-related content, including creating posts, editing articles, organizing categories, and managing other blogging features. Inside Blog Management, we can easily create new blog posts. However, an important question arises. If these posts only exist as data in the administration area, how do visitors actually see them on the website? In many other systems, creating content is only part of the process. You also need to build or configure pages that display that content. With Tumpixel, most of this work is automated to save significant development time. In addition to providing blog management, the system automatically creates the pages required to display blog content on the website. We can now see 3 new pages: All Posts, Post Detail, and Posts by Category. You can easily identify these pages because they are labeled with the blog prefix. This is how Tumpixel helps distinguish pages generated by different modules. So why does the system create exactly these 3 pages? Let's take a look at the purpose of each one. The first page is All Posts. This page displays a list of all blog articles you have created. Visitors typically start here when browsing your content. When a visitor clicks on an article, the system navigates to the Post Detail page. This page displays the complete content of the article, including the title, featured image, body content, and other related information. The final page is Posts by Category. This page also displays a list of articles, but the content is filtered based on categories. For example, if your website contains travel, fashion, or technology categories, this page allows visitors to browse content within each category separately. This structure is commonly used on blogs, news websites, and business websites because it improves content discovery for visitors and also provides SEO benefits for search engines. You can now switch between the newly created blog pages to see the default layouts automatically prepared by the system. Since we haven't created any blog posts yet, the lists are currently empty. This is completely normal because the pages are already prepared and simply waiting for content. However, there is one very important thing to keep in mind. Although Tumpixel automatically generates the pages and default layouts required for the blog module to help you get started faster, that does not mean you are limited to those default designs. Every generated page can be fully customized to match your own design requirements. You can modify layouts, add or remove components, redesign the user interface, or build a completely different presentation experience while still using the same blog data behind the scenes. This means you can launch quickly using the default layouts and then gradually customize them to create a unique website experience for yourself or for your clients.